Ecom squeezed. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Hello, I'm Aaron, and I'm back with another video on how to remove the background of an image. Okay, so if you're selling on eBay or Amazon, it's their policy to ensure that you have the main image with a white background. Well, then again, it depends upon the item color. Normally it's white, but if you have a white item, then you can put other neutral colors. Here, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an item for free in the web version. It says it will be done in 5 seconds. I'm going to show you how it's done, what are its limitations, and how to overcome that as well. Remember, this site also has a paid version. You can download the full version for the full images. So, let's get started. Upload image. Okay, we will try with this image. And you can see it's done. It's not even 5 seconds. So this is the original image, and this is when the background is removed. And they've done quite a good job down there. Basically, well, it's very good. And the free version will only allow you to download the size of maximum 500. So for example, if it's eBay, you will need a 500 by 500. And if you want to download the full resolution, you will have to go for the paid version. So what you can do is go around it. So first, you can download it, and then you need to open it with Paint. So once you open it with Paint, you can now go to resize, and in pixels, you just can put 500 because it's the criteria of eBay, more than 500 pixels. Once done, you can just click confirm and click save. That's it, you're done. And this is how your picture looks. Now, you can use this picture on eBay. This is kind of 500 pixels, so it's fine. And if you have to go for the full size, you will again have to choose paid version. Because this is a web version, and also there is another app version. It's called Photo Room. It's quite easy. You just download the app. Well, the free version will come with their logo. You have to keep that in mind. You can even crop and remove the logo. So these are the two ways you can remove the background of an image for free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment and we will reply to you. I have put the link to the website, which is called remove.bg, on the description. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and stay safe.